Okay, here we go. A while ago, a couple of years ago probably, I did a couple of videos about the front drive shafts on this CRV. That's a 2005 Mark II Honda CRV. And we were getting some weird groany noise from the front end. And I could never ever nail it down. Anyway, I ended up for some reason swapping the tyres around and that stopped it. Fair enough. I remember somebody actually asking on that video, did you sort out the noise? And all I said was in reply, I changed the tyres and it stopped. Anyway, this tyre, wheel and tyre, got put on the back and all was fine. But then the back started groaning about a year later, and I thought the diff was on its way out. Yeah, it was that sort of weird. So, and I took it off the back and put it back on the front, and then we got the noise again. So I'm just investigating. Now I've cut this piece of curved wood because, let me just, because if you put a straight edge on this, it is really impossible to work out what's going on. But if you look there, let me zoom in a bit. Yeah, it's not that much there. And if you look here, see that's curved, and that is, so there's some unusual wear on this tyre. In fact, you can see it there. See, that is a long tip, and that one to there, that one's low. That's high, that one's low, that's high. So for some really weird reason, we've got high, low, and in the middle, it's even more difficult to tell. But that is definitely different. So I cut this curve. Now this curve may not be exact. I think I just need to move the camera a bit. You see, it's touching there, it's not there, it's touching there, it's not there, it's touching there. So we got this weird thing where the wide treads, blocks, seem to be higher than the narrow ones. Now, what on earth's going there? Now, this is purely as an experiment, okay? I wouldn't suggest you do this, but I'm going to run the disc sander around that and try and level the fronts of these up just to see what would happen. Basically, there is about 5 mil of tread left on this, so it should see the summer out. But you know, as an experiment, and then I'm going to change the tyre anyway, I thought I'd just run the angle grinder with a 24 grit pad on it and see what happens. Now let's have some comments. I know a lot of people go, oh, you can't do that, and you probably can't, but let's do it anyway, as in the spirit of adventure and really wild things. We're not going to go down the motorway at 70 mile an hour on this tyre, alright? Okay, let's have a look. Well, that one's still a bit high probably, but it all looks a bit better. Yeah, I think that one there, there's no point marking it with black on black. Mark it with a bit of chalk and just take the front of that one down a little bit. But I think we've evened it up somewhat. And one thing that was quite peculiar was, let me just show you. The tread pattern is a bit weird. You've got a narrow, wide, narrow, narrow, wide, wide. Yeah. So the blocks are not even throughout the tyre. And there we've got wide, narrow, 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 wider, wide, wide, wide. How bizarre can you get? And this is a Discovery tyre. And so this tyre is actually a Cooper Discovery Mud and Snow, which is fine for me because you want plenty of grip. It must have the right rotation, which it has. So I did think about swapping these round, front to the opposite side, and of course that's not a good idea. So tell me what you think, tell me your experiences. Right, these blocky tyres are all very good and they grip a bit better, and you know, if your brakes are a bit rubbish, yeah, then put a different set of tyres on the front, the ones that grip. So there you go. Anyway, I'll catch up with you soon. More adventures. Cheers for now. So I took the car out for a test, and that front driver's side is a lot quieter and a lot smoother. But I'm going to change both front tyres fairly soon, just to, who can tell what's going on with tyres nowadays. Yeah, so as I say, tell me what you think, but this is just an experiment. Yeah, it's not a serious recommendation of repair. Right, cheers.